So we've got the Alfalfa greens, which are looking beautiful and dense. And even though these came up very, you know, really quickly, they are, you know, you could probably harvest them and eat them like that. I'm going to leave them a few more days. I'm just going to water around the edge like that and move it around so it's evenly covered. Put them back on a window ledge or on a shelf. We say 7 to 10 days, certain varieties, but depending on the time of year again. So if you're planting on rotation, which our kits are designed to do, you would have the next batch coming anyway, so there'll be a constant supply, so it's not a case of sort of waiting. Once these ones, you harvest them, the next ones will be ready. So I will be putting them back on the shelf until this evening.